Why did the witches cancel their baseball game? They couldn't find their bats.
What do you call a penguin in the desert? Lost.
What does a ghost do to stay safe in a car? He puts on his sheet belt.
Why was the broom late to school? Because it overswept. How do you fix a broken tomato? With tomato paste. When is the moon the heaviest? When it's full. What has 18 legs and catches flies? A baseball team. Where do horses live? Why, they live in neighborhoods. What is a tree's favorite drink? Why, it's root beer. Why do bees have such sticky hair? Because they have honeycombs. What day do potatoes hate the most? Why, Fridays. What do you call an alligator wearing a vest? Why, an investigator. How many tickles does it take to make a squid laugh? 10 tickles. Tentacles? Get it? What is gray, has 4 legs, a tail, and a suitcase? Why, a mouse on vacation. What do you get when you cross a cheetah and a cheeseburger? Fast food. What did the left eye say to the right eye? Between you and me, something smells. Get it? A nose? Smells? Why do elephants have trunks? Because they look awfully funny with suitcases. Why do seagulls fly over the sea? Because if they flew over the bay, they would be bagels. Why was the boy sitting on his watch? Because he wanted to be on time. What do you call a story about a broken pencil? Pointless. Why was the baseball game so hot? Because all the fans left. Why did the opera singer go sailing? Because she wanted to hit the high seas. Seas! Why did the football coach go to the bank? to get his quarterback. Why did the melon jump into the lake? Because it wanted to be a watermelon. What did Tennessee? The same thing Arkansas. Get it? Tennessee, Arkansas? What do you call a grizzly bear with an apple stuck in each ear? Who cares? He can't hear you. What kind of shoes do frogs wear? Why, they wear open-toed sandals. What kind of underwear do news reporters wear? News briefs. Why are the floors of basketball courts always so damp? Because they dribble a lot. What kind of songs do planets sing? Neptunes. What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. What do you call a sleeping bull? A bulldozer. How do you cut an ocean wave in half? You use a seesaw. Why can't kids go to see pirate movies? Because they're rated R. What happens when a vampire attacks a snowman? It gets frostbite. What do you do if you get attacked by a group of clowns? Why, you go for the juggler. Why did the sun go to school? To get brighter. Why don't ducks ever have spare change? They only carry bills. What goes up but never comes down? Your age. Why shouldn't you tell a joke while standing on ice? Because it might crack up. Ha ha ha! What do you call a fish in a tree? Lost. What do you give a lemon that needs help? Lemonade! Ha ha ha! Where do burgers like to go to dance? At a meatball! What do you get when you cross an elephant and a fish? Why, you get swimming trunks! How do hairstylists speed up their job? They take shortcuts. Why didn't the skeleton go to the dance? He had no body to go with. Where do you put barking dogs? Well, you put 'em in a barking lot. Riff raff!